Animal's nervous system. A neuron or nerve cell is a functional unit of the nervous system. Neurons connect receptors to the central nervous system and also connect one part of the nervous system to another. They also carry impulses from the nervous system to effector organs such as muscles and glands. When neurons are stimulated, they transmit an electrical impulse. Receptors. Receptors are often located in the sense organs such as the ear, eye, nose, tongue, and skin. Receptors in the eye are sensitive to light. Receptors in the tongue are sensitive to chemicals in food. Receptors in the nose are sensitive to smell. Receptors in the ear are sensitive to sound. Receptors in the skin are sensitive to air, touch, temperature, and pain. The gustatory receptors are located in your mouth and help with the sense of taste. The olfactory receptors are located in the nose and help with the sense of smell. Activity. Put some sugar in your mouth. How does it taste? Observation. The taste is sweet and is a combined perception of our sensory organs, tongue, and nose. Activity. Block your nose by pressing it between your thumb and index finger. Now eat sugar again. Is there any difference in its taste? Observation. Yes, there is noticeable difference in its taste. As stated above, the general perception of taste which we have for any particular eatable substance is jointly created by our sense organs, tongue and nose through receptors. Gustatory receptors in tongue will detect taste, while olfactory receptors in nasal cavity will detect smell. This is due to the reason when we have cold, the taste of things changes due to blocked nose. What is a nerve impulse? Nerve impulse is an electrical signal that travels along the axon. How does nerve impulse travel in the body? Neurons send and receive information throughout our body. Initially, the dendritic tip receives information and brings out a chemical reaction which creates an electrical impulse. This impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to the nerve terminal. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse activates the release of some chemicals. These chemicals cross the synapse. After crossing the synapse, these chemicals start a similar electrical impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. This is how nerve impulse travels in the body.